Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to subnet a network. First, understand that subnetting breaks a large network into smaller, more efficient parts. This process helps manage IP addresses better and improve security by segmenting traffic. We'll cover the essential steps, from identifying network requirements to calculating subnet masks and host ranges. Let's get started with the basics of IP addressing and network classes. Before you begin, calculate your network-specific needs. Start by figuring out how many subnets you'll require and the maximum number of hosts each subnet must support. This initial assessment is crucial for selecting the right IP address class, like Class C for smaller networks or Class B for larger ones. Planning for future expansion now will save you significant effort later. Now, let's get into the calculations. Convert your IP address and the default subnet mask into binary. You'll then borrow bits from the host portion to create new subnets, which extends your network address. This step is key to defining your new subnet mask. Finally, calculate the valid IP address range for hosts within each new subnet, along with its unique broadcast address. With your subnets defined, it's time to assign those IP addresses to your network devices. Configure your routers and switches with the new subnet masks and network addresses to ensure proper routing. Always test your new configuration thoroughly using tools like ping and traceroute to confirm connectivity across all subnets. Remember to document everything for easy maintenance and future adjustments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.